Did you know your POCO smartphone comes with powerful accessibility features built right in? These tools are designed to make your phone easier to use for people with vision, hearing, or physical challenges, but they can also be handy shortcuts for anyone who wants a more seamless mobile experience. In this guide, I'll show you how to access and manage the general accessibility settings on your POCO smartphone. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down, then tap Additional Settings. Under the Accessibility section, tap Accessibility. Here you'll notice the features are grouped into categories: General, Vision, Hearing, and Physical. For this tutorial, let's go into the General tab. Inside General, you'll see options like the Accessibility button, Shortcut from Lock Screen, Accessibility menu, and Downloaded apps. Let's start with the Accessibility button. Tap it, then turn it on. This adds a floating button that gives you quick access to accessibility features. Tap Location if you want to choose where it appears, either floating over other apps or as part of the navigation bar at the bottom. You can also customize how the button looks. Tap Size to pick between small or large, depending on what's easier for you to see and tap. If you don't want the button always visible, toggle on Fade when not in use. This makes it disappear after a few seconds of inactivity. And if you'd like to adjust transparency, simply drag the slider left or right until it feels right for you. Once that's set, go back to the General menu. The next option is Shortcut from Lock Screen. Turning this on lets you quickly access accessibility features even when your phone is locked. Just press and hold both volume keys for a few seconds. This can be a lifesaver if you need features like magnification or talkback in a hurry. Next is the Accessibility menu. Tap it, then enable the shortcut switch. This menu gives you on-screen controls for things like taking screenshots, adjusting volume, or locking the screen, all from a single button. When prompted, review the permissions, then tap Allow to activate. Finally, you'll see Downloaded apps. Tap this to view any third-party accessibility apps you've installed. This is where you can manage them, update settings, or remove apps you no longer need. And that's it. With these general accessibility settings, you can make your POCO smartphone easier to use and more personalized. Whether you're improving accessibility for yourself, a family member, or just creating faster shortcuts for everyday use. If this video helped you customize your POCO's accessibility features, give it a like, and check out my other 2025 tutorials for more tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching.